Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I'm a lover of mac and cheese like everybody else, so I put together this dish, bacon mac and cheese, the ultimate comfort food. You're gonna love it. It's delicious, so let me walk you through it. I'm going to start by boiling a cup of macaroni noodles in salted water for about 9 minutes until they're al dente. Okay, after about 9 minutes, it's al dente, so I'm just going to drain this and set it aside. Alright, let's make the sauce by adding 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter to a preheated pan, and we're just going to kind of let this cook down. Followed by a quarter cup of flour, and we're just going to mix this up until a roux forms. And you want to keep mixing this because you don't want clumps. Then some milk, and what I've got is a cup and a half, but I'm going to add 3/4 to begin with. And you want to stir this until it thickens. Then add in the other 3/4 of a cup. And we're just going to continue to stir. So what you want is a nice thick, creamy consistency. Now we have this consistency. I'm going to kill the heat, add in a cup and a half of cheese. And this is old grated cheddar. You can use the cheese of your choice. 3 strips of bacon that I've chopped up. And we're going to salt and pepper this. Just your taste. And I'm going to add lots of pepper. And if you know me, I just love it. Whisk this up until it's smooth and creamy. This looks so good. And I should mention too that you don't have to use bacon. You can use ham or whatever you like. I just like bacon. Add our pasta back in, and then grab up my spatula and mix until everything is nicely combined. Oh, this looks and smells so good. And there you have it, guys, our no-bake bacon and macaroni and cheese. Simply delicious. So what I've done, guys, is plated this up, and I'm going to garnish it with some green onions, just for some flavor and that green effect. This looks and smells so good. So let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Like I said in the beginning, guys, I'm a lover of mac and cheese, and this is simply divine. The creaminess, the cheesiness. I'm just going to eat more. Could eat this all day. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for subbing and thanks for watching, and see you next time.